Hello there guys, so come on in. What's cooking, what's poppin', SJS Nation, SJS fam. So today's video was inspired by Beautiful Beyond and some other YouTubers who are not Ghanaians about their university or their college dorm room. I was like, why not? So I know I delayed on this video. Most of you might have already had a sneak peek into my room with my first video I did when I got to campus, which is my decluttering video. So in today's video I'm just going to be showing you guys a quick tour through my room and how everything is like. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's going to be very short, and let's get right into today's video. Let me take this off because I had my natural hair on. So the first place you enter from my room is this place. This is the door. This in Ghana here, most people use this trap door. I don't know why it's there though, but basically, so this is the door from my room. This is the entrance from my room to when you enter my room. So let's just close it. That's where I look. That's where my keys are. So you just enter my room. You can see my SJS here. I know most of you are familiar with this background because this is where most of the times I shoot most of my videos and all those kind of stuff. So you enter from here. There's the wall. I'm just giving you guys an overview of how my room is. So this is my room whenever I'm stepping out to go to work or whatever. As ladies, you know how we do it. So this is a mirror, and most of you remember my vision board 2021. We're still in progress, so I have it here. So even when I'm lying down on the bed, I can still see it anytime that I wake up. There's a mini TV in here and my cosmetics. I don't know how I'm going to show you guys all of this, but hey, it's not really well arranged, but everything in here has a purpose. So I have most of my makeup products in these two bags. I have my earbud, I have my cousin's baby oil, I have my bio oil, I have my milk of magnesia for a bit of makeup, I have my combs and my brushes over there, toothbrush and everything is also over there, mouthwash too over here, cream too over there, body splashes, I have some deodorants. Basically anything that you need on your cosmetic board is all mixed up, is all plenty in there. So this is, people might think this is a Christmas tree, but it's just a decorated tree, and I lit it up during festivities and occasions. So it's just here for what? It's just in here. It's just in my room. So this is just the front part of my room. Now moving on to, this is also a study chair that I have in here. It's two. So the room is actually meant for two people, but the person who is supposed to be with me didn't make it this semester. So I'm just here alone for this particular semester. And there you have it. The chairs are two. So this is also a study table of mine. Ignore the money. So I just have a couple of books in here. I have my phone, my power bank is also in here. I don't really do much studying, especially in my level, my final year. What I do in here is to start writing my essay, getting my final year work project, and also working on my lesson plan. So basically that's it. I have my multi-sockets in here where I charge. I connected it straight up to my bed. And over here is my fridge. This is my ring light. I don't know why I'm using this as a stand, but it's my ring light, and these are my iron stuffs that I'll be using for work within the week. So I just decided to place them there because my wardrobe doesn't help. And this is my fridge. So currently I haven't stocked up my fridge yet. There's nothing much in my fridge. I haven't really stocked it up. There's nothing in here as of now. So there is the freezer. It's a mini fridge, guys. It's cute. I don't know if I plan on getting another one. So this is the fridge top with my books, with a bit of jewelry. I do have a pack of nose masks which my mom sent to me from home. So basically this is it. Then moving on to my window, I have tons of wigs in here. I know there's some in the bathroom too. So this is a hanger where I hang stuff that I often use when I'm at my hostel. So I hang them here with my apron, with a few wigs that I often wear, with some bags that I often use to work. And yeah, I'll also have my backpack in here too. So guys, just check the view outside too. So I'm upstairs, and yeah. So now let's move on to my wardrobe. So I do have some stuffs folded in here. It's quite dark. I should have brought the ring light in here, but it's really dark in here. And here are some folded stuffs, a mixture of a whole lot of bunch of stuffs, with photography stuffs, with stuffs, with clothes in here. So guys, I'm not really how should I even put it, I'm not really a dress folder person. I hate folding my clothes, so that is why most of the time the dress that I wear for the week, I tend to place them over there. So these are where I keep all my clothes. How I arrange them, I think I packed them. Oh my god, this is looking so terrible on camera, but all the same. So how should I even put it, I've folded them in such a way that it's easy for me to get them. So I do have, guys, it's messed up, but I do have, let me say, this is most of my work clothes. This part is most of my work clothes. Also, this is it. And let's get a view from where we are standing. So damn, guys, damn. So that's the view from the closet. You can see there's two beds that I've joined together with my favorite bed sheet in here. I posted this video, someone was like, how lazy can you be? Because I connected my extension board to my bed, trust me, I'm that lazy. So this is my view. It's my view, guys. We are done with the room tour. So guys, let me just give you an overview of how the room is again. Oh, I think I didn't take you guys here. So these are where my shoes are kept. Some heels, I have my sneakers, I have some slides. I have literally basic stuff that a student needs, because I can't carry all my stuff from the house to this place. This is where I keep all my shoes, my slides, and everything is also in here. And yeah, so let's have a 360 of my room again. Oh my god, I love the SJS. I love it now, the color and everything. So guys, this is the room. So now let's go to the washroom. This is also the washroom. So there's shower over there. There's, I don't know, that is my wet curls. I was just drying it up here. That's my tap, my bucket. So this is my toilet seat with my tea roll. So basically this is just a mini. Okay, so guys, this is just how the washroom looks. With over there are detergents that I use in scrubbing up my bathroom. So as you can see over there. So moving on to another place we have in here is so my kitchen. I normally keep most of my bowls in here. I keep a few of my plates in here. I do have few cups because I'm just alone, so I just have two wine glass. I have 2 glass cups. There's one behind, and a few cutleries in here. These are the bowls that I use to store food in my freezer. So it's also here. These are stuff that I just washed from the sink. I just washed some stuff, so I'm just drying up them here before I just take them over there. These are stuff that I've cooked. I just didn't want to transfer them into the fridge yet. This is my microwave, which I haven't even used. I do charge other stuffs here. I have my blender over here. I have a little tank in here because Ghana we day most of the times I might be out of water, so I tend to store a little bit of water in here. So this is the few stuff that I have. I don't know where that came from, but it was supposed to be up there. I have rice. This is the few stuff that I have, guys, because I don't really have time for myself. I haven't stocked my shelves yet, so this is it. Because most of the times whenever I want to cook, I just buy all those kind of stuff, so I just don't store them like when I was in my first year in the university. Final year, we are legends. I don't really pile most stuffs in here, so yay. And this is my cylinder too over there. And yeah, basically this is my mini, it's all mini stuffs, and this is my favorite. These are some kitchen tools and my lunchbox whenever I'm traveling, going for a picnic or whatever. And this is my view from my kitchen. You can see. Okay, and also I have my backdrop. So this backdrop is not for me. Calvin, he left his photography stuffs in here, so it's also in here. This is my hooks for cooking my favorite dish, which is banku, which I haven't even shown you guys yet on my channel how I cook my favorite dish. So this is for Calvin, his photography backdrop. So guys, most of you might be wondering why I'm wearing a lens today or glasses today. Guys, I haven't been feeling well. My head, I've been having chronic migraine, which has been affecting my eyes for the past 3 weeks. So I've been told to wear some glasses, especially since I spend a lot of time in front of the screen. It affects my eyes and all this kind of stuff. So I just decided to wear this for you guys to see. I can't have a direct contact with you guys, so basically you're done. This is officially my room tour. We don't really have much stuff to show you guys. This is just a minimalist university room tour. I know most people might have their closets stacked up and all those kind of stuff. I could have basically just stuffed up my kitchen and showed you guys a video, but I just wanted to show you guys the real minimalist room tour. Since I have nothing, I'm out of stuff. My fridge was even dry. There isn't much stuff in my fridge, and I just hope you guys enjoyed it. And so how much I'm paying for this is I'm paying 4,000 Ghana cedis for a whole year, which is because it's supposed to be 2 in a room, so each person is paying 2,000 Ghana cedis if there's 2 in a room, if you're sharing this with a roommate, which is all quite affordable. So if you have any questions about my minimalist university room tour, just leave it down below and I'll gladly reply you. So thank you guys for watching today's video. It's still your favorite girl, Jackie says, your hostess with the mostess, bring you the hottest. Thank you, sis, and I am out. Peace, guys.
Day, she Jackie says, looking so fly. She Jackie says, young YouTuber, always on the tube trying to make a living. Never gonna freaking stop, no way. Ain't nobody stopping her, no.